Hi, it's me, Zayfar Beeblebrox, the British Tech Guru. This is that Chinese 12-volt drill that I got off Temu and then got ripped off. Anyway, it has this little speed thingy and a 120-volt supply. Now, if I turn this all the way to that way and turn it off, there's also an on-off switch here, so we'll turn it on, and we turn it on here. And it goes quite well. Now I've got a very long drill bit in here, but it seems to drill quite well, and I've drilled a hole probably about 1.5 inches deep there. Now watch what happens when I turn it off. Watch the end of the drill bit. It shakes. So that tells you can only really use short drill bits with it, which is fine because this is intended to use in one of the cheap Temu drill presses. But it's clearly not something that can be used for great precision. On the other hand, I only bought it to use for robotics and building chassis, which I'm probably going to end up building out of wood anyway, because wood is cheap and it's easy to use and I can glue it. And a lot of people overlook wood, and it's recyclable. Now this hole I've got here, let's see how deep I drilled. I drilled that deep, which is really not too bad, and I'm quite happy with that. I'm not happy that they scammed me and put 3 in the pack and charged me for 3 rather than the 1 that I put in my shopping basket, but that's Temu local warehouses and they're pretty crooked. And that's not just my experience, but that's the experience of my mistress and quite a few other people. So if you're going to buy from something within the US, buy it from a US shop, not from one of these Chinese places.